To get into the shoulder stand, everyone, begin by opening your hammock, spread the fabric wide, and then take your right knee inside the hammock. Make sure the fabric is till your ankle. Slide your right hand and left hand up, push into the knee to get your body inside the hammock. Then take your right hand and left hand inside and around to twist your body to come to a sitting position. From here, we'll prepare for the mermaid. For that, you slide your body to one side, and from there, a series of contract, expand, contract, expand. Keep it straight also when you can try. This is the different variation. Make sure the fabric remains covering your chest. Then from there, we turn our body to face up towards the sky again. Slide your hips forward because you want to create enough lax in the fabric so it covers your shoulder completely. That is very important to ensure your safety in the shoulder stand. Slide your hands up. Place your feet right above your hands. You want to push the feet up and pull the fabric down. So pull the fabric down, push the feet up by flexing your feet completely. Very important, keep your feet on the fabric, otherwise you will not find stability as you are there. From there, everyone, to try the variation of a split, I slowly start gathering the entire fabric. Bring your feet together, keep the pelvis up and slowly start going into an inverted split. Very important, the pelvis is still pushing up. You can even try the variations of the bent knee. From there, to come out of it, you'll prepare for an L tuck. Create an L shape in your body by creating a suction in your abdomen and slowly curve to come down to a standing on the mat.